this video, I'm going to teach you how to use eSIM on your iPhone 13. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up or activate an eSIM. I'm going to be talking about the iPhone 13 specifically, but this process will also work on any other model. So all that you have to do to set it up is to go over to the settings. When you go into the settings, access the mobile service or cellular options. So you will either see it labeled as mobile service or cellular. So just choose the first option here. Now, you should see the option to either add eSIM or convert eSIM. Regardless of what you see, just look for the option to manage your eSIM and you will be able to add a new one or convert it. So when you choose this option, you can go through the setup process. Sometimes, the first time that you power on your device, it can also give you the prompt to set up cellular. This is going to depend on whoever is the SIM provider, but if you see this option, then you can just choose how you want to set it up. For a lot of people, if you are setting up your first eSIM card, you will use the QR code. So just tap the option here, scan the QR code using your camera, and wait for this process to finish. Your courier or your SIM card provider will handle the rest. So it's as simple as scanning it, and now the specific number will be active on this iPhone. Alternatively, if you see the convert option, once again it's simple. You choose convert and you will see your current number here, and you will be able to convert your cellular plan, assuming that your carrier SIM allows it. So it is extremely simple. Just go into the settings, access the cellular category, and look for add eSIM or convert eSIM. Like I said before, sometimes during setup, you might also be prompted to activate an eSIM. And if you see the setup prompt while turning on your new device, you can also have the eSIM activated through here. I hope I was able to help you on how to use eSIM in iPhone 13. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.